Hi there, my name is Vinicius. We are a game studio focusing to bridge education blockchain. Myself, I'm CC designer with experience as a professor, also product development. And 10 years ago, I just had a dream to create a game to provide nodes to the blockchain community exactly when I started to mine Bitcoin. And right now, we are living this reality, where is my dream is coming true. But before jump to the game, let's imagine ourselves in this context of metaverse. How do you feel connected with this proposal after the experience of being isolated in these times of pandemic? Everyone knows that lives imitate games as games imitate lives. Just because as a human beings in state of shadow, we are programmed to replicate traumas experience while we're still making games based in war, fight, and scarcity. And welcome. Hexilibrium is a magic cycle to create it to enhance the learning process experience. Uh, in this universe, the game exists in a scenario of intergalactic expansion and colonization of new planets, in which each player lives in all dimensions and they are invited to travel through space-time to meet new people, learn strategic skills, and make money, meaning cryptocurrency. The game exists in three levels. The first is all about people and connection. The second one is all about adventure of walking the surface of the planet and traveling through dimensions. And the third one is all about to build a strategy and win by mining cryptocurrency. The root of this game is based on the oldest book of humankind to rescue the connection between ancient teachings and modern technologies, we're bridging the human element with modern technology element by creating this Exerverse context based on this math, on the sacred geometry. And this is one example that you are applying this humanization in that game. Here, in example, we have Elon Musk that we can taking data, we can fit one of those 12 kinds of personality and related with 164 archetypes that meshes with the emotional human path, and we can convert it in 144 kinds of robots with 4096 variation. This is your roadmap. We start from building robots technology, and we aim to create a human experience in the metaverse. And Hexilibrio is in the middle, where it's basically a simulation when you can test many theories about the concept called synergetics. So this is our competitive analysis. We have many games in education context, some play to earn games, also social, and Hexilibrium it's try to balance to stay in the middle. Here's your way uh, to create a journey inside the game where the players can collect the resources and can build and in the middle we put the learning process. So this is a journey so far. We start from Samsung that help us to build the robot. The Yapimei start help me to start the game, and we are in this journey with the blockchain journey now supported by Polkadot and Filecoin. And just to finish your presentation, play plus technology dot collaboration equals superpower. And I invited you to join your journey. Thank you so much and see you soon.